Hi, this is Sarah Mikesel with thecattlesite.com, and today we're here with Kent Anderson. He is with the Zoetis Genetics group. Thanks for being with us today, Kent.
It's a pleasure to be with you, Sarah.
Thanks. And we were just talking a little bit about genetics and how it's such a fast-paced industry right now. It's really rapidly changing. What's important for cattle farmers and ranchers to know now?
Yes, Sarah, I think thanks to the partnership that Zoetis has with the American Angus Association and Angus Genetics Inc., as well as certified Angus beef, we've been able to use genomics to enhance the accuracy and the dependability of EPDs on young bulls. So the takeaway for cow-calf producers is that now they can buy tested bulls with EPDs that have the equivalent dependability to a first calf crop that's already in production. And then downstream, we've worked with them to build a tool called GeneMax Advantage to help with replacement heifer selection and breeding decisions. So on both the bull buying as well as the replacement heifer selection and breeding, there's now tools to help us go beyond the eye to select for those things in the unseen world that help make for more profitable cows.
Very good. Now, if you're not an Angus producer, what do you need to know about genetics?
Well, there's applications then that are being applied to most all breeds. So beyond Angus, Red Angus, Simmental and Sim Angus, Hereford, Gelbvieh, Limousin, they all have tools now where the DNA marker information is being integrated into the EPDs to again create more dependable bull buying decisions.
Very good. Now, when it comes to genetics, what's changing? What's the technology that you're seeing coming or things that you expect to see in the industry?
There's a couple of different changes that I think are unique in that the costs associated with genotyping animals are becoming more and more sensible relative to the value that it's creating in the way of described genetic variation, not only for the regular everyday traits, but also for the difficult, hard to measure, and expensive traits like feed intake and conversion, as well as those maternal traits like heifer pregnancy and calving ease that give us insight beyond just the eyeball or the traditional information so that we make better decisions.
Very good. That's what it's all about with the genetics research, right? Is helping these producers make better decisions along the way.
It is. At the end of the day, we really want for cow-calf producers to be more sustainable long term. And by matching the genetics in their cows to the environment and the feed resources they have, and at the same time being mindful of what the consumer wants in the way of a tender, palatable, highly marbled product, it's all about creating system-wide efficiencies and using technology in a smart, wise way to make better decisions.
Very good. Thanks so much for your time today, Kent.
Thank you, sir.
This is Sarah Mikesel with thecattlesite.com.